As we wait to learn Jennifer Crumbley's sentence for involuntary manslaughter, we're learning who could be called to testify in the upcoming trial of her husband, James, on that very same charge. Glad you're with us for Local 4 News at 5. I'm Devin Skillian.
I'm Kimberly Gill. The prosecution wants the judge to allow testimony from 4 students who were at Oxford High School the day of the shooting nearly 2.5 years ago. But James Crumbley's attorney is pushing back. Local 4's Rod Maloney is live tonight at the Oakland County Courthouse with the story. Rod.
Yeah, good evening, Kimberly and Devin. We want to amend it to 3 students now. We have the documents here that we just received. And you'll remember that this was something that did not happen in the Jennifer Crumbley trial. And so their initials are H.A., K.O., and R.F. They're all girls, all listed as minors. 2 of them already able to, in a different court, tell their close-up version of what happened at Oxford High when the shooter killed 4 students, Tate Meir, Hannah St. Juliana, Justin Schilling, and Madison Baldwin. Their stories came during the witness impact statement testimony. One of them stood next to Hannah St. Juliana and ended up shot in the neck, spent a lot of time in the hospital, she did, and the prosecution is likely to want to include her tearful statements about trying to comfort Hannah before she died. A student who hasn't testified previously says that she helped a student shot just feet from her. But James Crumbley's defense attorney is saying not so fast here. She claims that none of the students' testimony is relevant for a number of reasons. One, it's too emotionally charged. Second, it does not pertain to what Crumbley is actually charged with, which are the events that led up to the shooting. And lastly, they were submitted long after the judge set the deadline to publish the witness list. So we're going to have to see now what the judge says in all of this to get a feel whether these students may actually testify in that trial. Back to you.
So, Rod, when is James Crumbley expected to go to trial?
Right. He is expected to go to trial on March 5th. And, of course, that is before his wife would be sentenced. She's likely to have jail time, but that doesn't happen until April 9th.
Yeah, okay. All right, Rod, we appreciate it.